So Mike, I want to show you a really unique feature that we've incorporated in the DX7 called ModelMatch. I don't know if you've ever been to the field, but man, this has certainly, I had this happen to you, but this has certainly happened to me. You go to the field and you think you're going to fly my T-Rex 600, for example. You think you're going to fly your Sequoia. And so you select a model, and sure enough, you fly that. And the next thing you know, you go to fly the next model. And doggone it, you forget to switch the model memory. And you end up, you know, at best case, you catch it. You know, before you start your engine, you say, oh man, this isn't working right, and boom, you catch the wrong one. But I'll tell you, I've had personal experiences where I've actually got the airplane or aircraft off the ground and then realize my ailerons are reversed or something's messed up. So I don't know if that's ever happened to you, but man, that has been a disastrous thing that's happened to me. Well, the DX7 incorporates a unique patented feature called ModelMatch that will absolutely prevent that from happening. I'd like to show you how it works. So right now, I've got my transmitter, and I read thoroughly that this is set up for my T-Rex 600, and sure enough, I go plug in my T-Rex 600, and it's already been bound, and I've flown it several times, and everything's happy as can be, and as you can see, everything's working great. I go fly, I land, unplug everything, turn this off, go get a drink, go talk to my buddies, everything's cool. I come back, and lo and behold, I'm going to go fly my Sequoia. Turn on my transmitter, turn on my Sequoia, but you know what I forgot? I forgot to change my model memory. I don't know if you noticed, nothing's happening.
Right.
Well, with ModelMatch, the way the DX7 works is during the binding process, you're actually teaching each particular the receiver one of 20 models. So for example, my T-Rex 600 is in model number 10. It recognizes and only listens to model number 10 when I bind it. My Sequoia, by the way, is in a different model. You know, I turn it on and I say, man, something's wrong with my radio. What the heck's going on? And I look down and I say, wow, I'm in the wrong model. Am I fortunate that I didn't try to fly this model in the model? Now watch what happens when I select the right model. So there's my T-Rex, there's my Sequoia. I click it on, transmitter scanning, looking for 2 channels, boom. Now I can go fly my Sequoia. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's awesome.
That feature absolutely prevents you from flying the wrong model or the right model in the wrong model memory. Now let me show you the extent of how this works. You've got a yak over there. Let me plug that in. So all these models have been flown and they're all programmed to this radio. You hear the beep of the speed controller. I'll plug this in. We know that that works. I'll show you how well this ModelMatch function works. We got the Sequoia, and sure enough, it says a Sequoia on the screen. Well, I'm going to turn the radio off. Everything's in hold. All the models are in hold, including the Sequoia now.
Okay.
Now I'm going to go, and there's my T-Rex. The transmitter scans, looking for open signals. Boom. Now I'm controlling my T-Rex. More importantly, I'm not controlling my Sequoia, and I'm not controlling the yak. Same situation. Watch this. I go to the next model. Now I'm going to control the yak. Boom. I just selected the yak. Takes a second. Look at that. Now I'm controlling the yak. This transmitter stores up to 20 models, and each and every single one of those models sends out a specific code that the receiver learns in binding and absolutely prevents you from controlling a model that's not been programmed to it. That's what ModelMatch is all about. It's patented technology, and it will save your model.
That's awesome.